with incredible curb appeal like this,
with design elements like these,
and the dream backyard,
has us wondering, what are you waiting for?
Now let's get this tour started.
A gorgeous custom bungalow on an estate-sized lot. We must be in Cameron Estates. Why don't you tell us a little bit about this area?
You are absolutely right, Julie. Just an incredible neighborhood here. Now, I can tell you from personal experience, there's three things you're going to absolutely love about living in the neighborhood of Cameron Estates. First of all, it's the proximity. We are 5 minutes into the city of Barrie. And let me tell you, you're going to appreciate each and every one of those minutes because that's where all of your amenities are. Whether it's shopping, whether it's grocery, whether it's the malls, whether it's incredible dining, it's 5 minutes away, yet you feel like you're in your own rural escape out here in Cameron Estates. From there, of course, it's all about the recreation out here. Maybe it is the Vesper Hills Golf Course that's in our very backyard here, 27 gorgeous golf holes there. Or maybe it's Snow Valley Ski Resort that's a hop, skip, and a jump that you're gonna love, just dropping your kids off at the top of the hill, letting them ski, snowboard, snow tube, whatever you want is just a moment away from here. And then of course, we're surrounded by all the green space, the hiking, the biking, and all of the trails that surround us here in beautiful Snow Valley. In addition to that, it's all about the community itself. Each and every home in this community is absolutely stunning, custom built, its own personal touch and flair. And let me tell you, the one behind us is no different.
Well, Scott, you really sold me on the neighborhood. I know you're speaking from the heart, but let's talk about this gorgeous home. And the wow factor of this home starts from the moment you lay eyes on it. It's got a very unique all white finish that's a combination of stone and stucco, and it has gorgeous wood details that are picked up in the front porch and then tie beautifully into the garage doors. And then it's onto this gorgeous stonework that's flanked by perennials and an in-ground irrigation system. And all of this leads you to the gorgeous double door entry that's going to leave you wondering what's behind. Well, we can't wait to take you inside and give you a closer look.
Now, in my opinion, every luxury home deserves a dramatic entryway, and let me tell you, this one certainly has it. You have the beautiful double door entryway you see in behind me here, and it gives you terrific sight lines right out to this unbelievable backyard that we cannot wait to show you more of, but you're gonna have to wait a little longer for that one. You got this very generous entryway where you're gonna greet and welcome all of your guests, and then it spills right over into this unbelievable great room. We're talking 15-foot vaulted ceilings. You rarely see ceiling heights like this in a bungalow. And then of course, it's all about the fine design details here. Whether it's the stone feature wall that you see, you've got the concrete mitred mantel that leads you into the gas fireplace, and then of course the white oak engineered hardwood floor that flow from end to end of this house. And then from there, you've got the black interior window package. You've got beautiful glass railings into the staircases, and those are just a few of the fine details, including a ton of shiplap and customized cabinetry, and we're just getting started. Check this out.
Whether you're the family chef or a hostess with the mostest, you are absolutely going to love this stunning kitchen that's centered around this gorgeous oversized island with waterfall countertop and dramatic statement light fixtures that are a real wow. And for all you family chefs, you're absolutely going to love the 6-burner Genair gas range. But let's face it, whether you're the family chef or a hostess with the mostest, one thing we can all agree on is no one likes a mess in the kitchen. Well, that's why we have the most spectacular butler's pantry here. Let's go take a look at that. Part bar, part pantry, part kitchen. This is really the space where everything happens, yet it's out of sight, yet still feels like a beautiful space to work in.
Now, as we explore the primary suite of this home, let me tell you, all of the beautiful design features you saw in the main area of the home flow right through to this end of the house as well. You've got the black dramatic feature wall with the wall moldings up there, such a wow factor. You've got 8-foot doorways that go through this home with solid core doors. And again, in your primary suite, you have a beautiful oversized slider out to your very own deck. Can you just picture yourself having a nice coffee in the morning, enjoying the peace and quiet before the rest of the household wakes up? We've got not one, but 2 walk-in closets. And of course, it's all about the ensuite. We've got that beautiful standalone soaker tub, the oversized tiles, not to mention the gorgeous marble vanity, and a full glass walk-in shower. There's lots to love here.
The generous size of this home continues to the lower level, where we have an absolutely enormous rec room, and the sky's the limit on the potential uses of this space. This lower level also has 2 generous sized bedrooms and a gorgeous spa-like bathroom. No luxury home would be complete without a gorgeous home gym so you can get your workout on.
All right, enough teasing about it. Let's get to the main event of this home, and that is the dream backyard that you have been looking for. Now, as you walk through the incredible double sliding back doors, you were welcomed onto a 300 square foot, beautiful covered back porch. Now, that 15-foot vaulted ceiling we had in the great room, it flows directly out here onto your back porch as well. Such an incredible feel overlooking this tremendous backyard. Now, this is the ideal space that flows seamlessly from inside to outside. Whether you're lounging, whether you're barbecuing, whether you're hosting your guests or family out here, you're gonna love the privacy from side to side, not to mention the forest in behind us here. Now, we all know that the art of summer is perfected poolside. Let me tell you, Julie has every element you could possibly want in a backyard. Coming up next, let's go see what she's up to.
Who doesn't love a trip to a Scandinavian spa? But let's face it, the drive home takes away all the relaxation that you've created. But what if I told you that right here, steps off of your backyard, you could have that same experience? And it starts with a traditional wood-burning barrel sauna, and then it flows over to this relaxation station. Whether the snow's blowing or the sun's shining, it's the perfect spot to unwind after you've had that sauna experience. And then to top off the experience, we have this gorgeous in-ground saltwater pool. It doesn't get any better than this.
All right, I'm really feeling this whole spa vibe Julie's putting out. Now the only thing we got to do is find you a masseuse to complete the whole experience. But while we're in this incredible backyard, let's take a moment to appreciate the fine detail they have put in here. They thought of absolutely everything, from the extensive stonework to the armor stone, the river rock. You've got unbelievable custom window wells down here. They're all made out of stone, giving you more light and just an impressive feel down in that lower level as well. You can see we've got an additional garage door off the back, which makes maintaining this space an absolute breeze. And as always with these Cameron Estates properties, we've got 40 feet of forest in behind us, met with another 40 feet. So you have 80 feet of privacy between you and your rear neighbor. You simply do not find estate homes in estate communities like this very often. Now, we're the Knowles Woolsey team. We know Cameron Estates. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.